What I got motivated me, like I want to be part of this. I want to keep on doing this. And huyo speaker nimemkuta alikuwa anaelezea vitu vingi, lakini the part ambayo mimi nimemkuta, there is this thing called burnout. Akawa anasema like, how do you get to know that you're experiencing burnout? Then what he said is, for example, you come at Kusimiko as an MD1 student, and you're just a student. Then after becoming a student, you maybe become selected to become a leader at the mass organization. Then you're a student, you're a leader. Then it happened that there are these NGOs that want to also to recruit to be their member. So you find the very same person who was just a student, a leader, a member of an organization, having the very same 24 hours. So you have to distribute your time and everything. I'm a leader in different organizations. I'm a leader at college. I'm a student. So when I feel like things are getting hot, like I can't handle it anymore. So I have to detach myself, like the leadership thing aside, being a student studying aside, being whatever aside. So like if I have my phone, I switch it off, then find something nice to do, like watch a movie, maybe sleep, maybe go and watch a game, go out with friends, just do something that is different from what you normally do. That also helps. You have to find a person to talk to, detach yourself, and yeah, have good eating habits, like eat healthy, do exercise, like engage yourself in your hobbies. If you can play music, play music. If you read novels for fun, read novels. If you want to go out, just to have to let it out. Then if you think that now I'm okay, like I can go back to whatever I was doing, then it's fine. Because if you keep persisting in doing things, a lot of them at the same time, you feel exhausted, you get tired, you get negativity, pessimistic ideas, like you fail to go on. So you find yourself not doing well in your studies, not doing well in your leadership, not being an effective member in an organization, and everything falls out. So we have to consider the three things: taking out the person you trust, considering your hobbies, do physical activities, and also having a good eating.